Since I've been to Zaleka, I had a chance to qualify for interpreter with the UNHCR. So I work for missions and I'm also the chairperson and the founder for Godfrey Ministries. My name is Isaac Raphael. So I'm a refugee from Congo, but currently I'm living in Zaleka refugee camp here in Malawi. Godfrey Ministries is a short form of God-Friend Linus Ministries. Ministry started in 2011, September 15th, here in Zaleka refugee camp. The main activities we do is to teach the Word of God to young men and women here in the camp, but also we are here to sponsor the school for children at risk and orphans. I am motivated to do everything I can do because of the way I am. I've first been an orphan and my parent deceased, and then I have that passion of helping orphans. That's why we have registered a number of orphan children, most marginalized and those at risk, to be part of our compassion program. So these kids gather here every week on Saturday and we have a lot to do, but the main thing is to find comfort for the kids. So we give them food every week. We share the table together. When I swallow the tea, can you say it after me? Cotton.
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 We put it on the window, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What we do as well is that we teach English to the youth and the adult as well in the camp, because the people are from different countries, and most of the people from the Great Lake countries whereby English is not spoken face difficult when they come in Malawi to access school, and also for those who are getting a chance for their settlement to communicate with the people in English. We also do vocational training, and these trainings targets especially women. So we teach them tailoring skills, but some other time we also teach how to write and how to read for those women who didn't attend school. We do also music training. We train the youth to play on music instruments like guitar, keyboard, and drums. We need to promote the talents of the youth. Most of the youth are willing to be artists. So we are taking this chance to equip them and give them the knowledge that would help them in their talent as the dream to be artists one day. We are working in a team. We are having a center here, and the center itself is not enough because we have a lot of activities, but the places are not enough. So we need to build a new center, new classes for the student to feel okay when they are in the class and feel helped. The class is not wide as we want it to be. Benches are counted. The teaching conditions are not really good. So we need to ameliorate all this. So all we do is to just help with the little that we have. With the little that I get as motivation from UNHCR, I try to give it all away. I'm also a skilled tailor. I do make trousers, shirts, and everything. But with the payment I got, still is a challenge to help out all these things I'm doing. And we do contribution, and this is monthly for every member and every staff member. And once we gather all this money, we decide on what activity to prioritize and to give a chance first, so then the other follows. The main plan that we have as Godfrey Ministries, we want to have at the end of all environment of refugees who are happy though they are called refugees. So we need to build this kind of happiness in them and give them the hope that was lost. And this through the love of Christ. And the big challenge that we are having is that we lack funds for these activities. We are seeking for good heart people like you who are ready to show the love of Christ to these refugees living in Dzaleka. Your support will be highly appreciated. God bless you. Thank you.